Hey everyone, it's Mahi Singh. Today let's start with a powerful quote by Henry Ford. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. This quote beautifully encapsulates the power of our beliefs in shaping our reality. In my recent YouTube short, we discussed why challenging limiting beliefs is essential for unlocking your full potential. Now let's dive deeper into how you can transform those beliefs and unleash your true capabilities. Here are 7 actionable steps to help you break free from limiting beliefs and tap into the immense power within you. Let's get started. First, identify your limiting beliefs. The journey to overcoming limiting beliefs starts with self-awareness. Take some time to reflect on your thoughts and identify the beliefs that hold you back. Are there recurring negative thoughts that limit your actions, decisions, or self-worth? For instance, thoughts like, "I'm not good enough" or "I can't achieve my dreams" are common limiting beliefs. Write them down, acknowledge their presence, and understand their impact on your life. Awareness is the first step to challenging these beliefs. Second, understand the origins of your beliefs. Many limiting beliefs originate from past experiences, societal expectations, or family influences. By tracing the origins of these beliefs, you can understand why you have them. Are they based on past failures, criticisms, or societal stereotypes? Recognizing where these beliefs come from helps you see that they are not absolute truths but rather interpretations shaped by past events or external influences. This understanding gives you the power to change them. Third, question and challenge your beliefs. Once you've identified your limiting beliefs, it's time to challenge them. Ask yourself questions like, is this belief really true? Or what evidence supports or contradicts this belief? Often you'll find that these beliefs are based on assumptions rather than facts. For example, if you believe "I'm not smart enough," challenge this by recalling instances where you succeeded or learned new things. Replace negative assumptions with facts that highlight your strengths and achievements. Fourth, replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Now that you've questioned your limiting beliefs, it's time to replace them with empowering alternatives. Transform. "I can't do this" into "I can learn and improve." Use affirmations and positive self-talk to reinforce your new beliefs. Write down empowering statements that counteract your limiting beliefs and repeat them daily. By consistently affirming positive beliefs, you reprogram your subconscious mind to align with your true potential. Fifth, visualize your success. Visualization is a powerful tool for changing beliefs and manifesting goals. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing yourself succeeding and achieving your goals. Imagine the emotions, sensations, and satisfaction that come with success. Visualization helps you create a mental picture of your desired reality and strengthens your belief in its possibility. By seeing yourself succeed in your mind, you create a roadmap for turning it into reality. Sixth, take action despite your beliefs. The most effective way to challenge limiting beliefs is to take action. Push yourself to step out of your comfort zone and pursue goals despite your doubts. Action builds evidence against limiting beliefs and empowers you to prove them wrong. Start with small steps that lead to bigger accomplishments, gradually building confidence in your abilities. Each achievement, no matter how small, reinforces the belief that you are capable of more than you once thought. Seventh, seek support and accountability. Surround yourself with positive influences and seek support from mentors, friends, or coaches. Share your goals and progress with them, and ask for feedback and encouragement. Having a support system helps you stay accountable and provides perspective when doubts arise. They can help you see your strengths and achievements that you might overlook and motivate you to keep challenging limiting beliefs. To summarize, breaking free from limiting beliefs involves identifying them, understanding their origins, challenging their validity, replacing them with empowering beliefs, visualizing success, taking action, and seeking support. By incorporating these steps into your daily life, you'll unlock your true potential and achieve more than you ever imagined possible. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more self-improvement and personal development tips. Thanks for watching, and let's challenge our limiting beliefs together to unleash our full potential.